Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I present you a battle of wits. Two of the smartest, most wittiest people on the planet are gonna go at it. Some random odd biker and this guy. I can kind of smell him through the screen. I literally just saw this video, saw like 1 minute of it. I think it's gonna be good. Apparently they get in a fight. I don't know. All I know is that there's a lot of verbal assault with this video. Outside this Walmart. The Walmart in the back kind of does look like a 2000s Walmart. I don't know, like the design here, whatever. I'm looking too deep into it. Let's watch this.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm pretty good. What's up with you?
Oh, just looking at your bike, motherfucker.
Yeah, you seem to be in quite the hurry.
Yeah.
Why are you driving? How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm pretty good. What's up with you?
Oh, just looking at your bike, motherfucker.
Yeah, you seem to be in quite the hurry.
Yeah.
Why are you driving like that?
Your mama fucked me good.
That's it? That's all you got?
Your mama fucked me good.
There you go. He's a man. He's a big girl.
Yeah.
So-
Your mom was a big girl too last night.
My mom is a whore.
With that thing.
Yeah, don't touch me again.
She pretended.
One more time. Don't
that
touch
thing,
me
She
again.
pretended that was me. With the horns or with my dick.
Here. I don't suggest touching me one more time, fat boy.
Oh yeah, motherfucker. What you gonna do? Cookie Monster?
I'm going to defend myself
Oh, you
adequately.
Bitch? You can act like a bitch?
Come along.
Little bitch, motherfucker.
I thought you were a big tough guy. You drive like a big tough girl.
These guys hate each other. This is like a blood feud. They don't have any recollection. This is like beef. This is like the start of beef. And you can make an entire show out of these two's rivalry. You know, I'm pretty sure that's his mom in his car right now. You see that lady, that little hand you saw? I'm pretty sure that's his mother. So, this guy's in a bit of a surprise. I don't know the context. I don't know who's in the right. I just know that these two are funny as shit. And they absolutely hate each other.
You'll cry if I touch you, little bitch.
No, I'm gonna beat the shit out you.
You motherfucker. What's up?
Oh, I said if you touch me again, I'll beat the shit out you. Yeah, if you touch me, even a little bit.
Well, get the fuck away from me, motherfucker.
I'm in my parking space,
Well, good for you.
bitch.
Well, good for you, little bitch. That's why I called your mom when I fucked her in the ass.
That doesn't upset me.
Well, too bad. 'cause
Is that
know
all
your
you
mom's
got?
a whore.
You need
You know
better.
your mom's a whore.
You need
You
better.
know your mom's a whore.
Is that all you got?
You know your mom's a whore.
She happy to be with you?
Well, of course, motherfucker. Didn't I fuck your mom good?
That doesn't make
Well,
any sense.
Of course.
I asked about her.
Of course. Well, of course, dude. If I fuck your mom, then fuck a billion dudes.
That's
Well,
it?
What the fuck about her?
That's all you got?
Dude, that's all I got, bro. What do you want me to say?
Something
What do you want to say?
something realistic.
What's up?
You can't have had sex with my mother. She's in Florida.
Well,
I don't doubt she'd have sex with you, but it's not that.
Biker dude, what the fuck are you saying? Why would you say that about your mother? What is your relationship with your mother? Just like letting her kind of be clowned like that? I'm not saying punch him, but like don't say, oh yeah, my mom would have sex with you. What? Also, this guy, I think he's winning right now. The smelly dude from Peanuts. I'm also kind of scared of him. Like his teeth, his upper bite. You know, his overbite is really menacing. It kind of reminds me of like shark teeth. I feel like if this keeps going, he's just gonna like go on and bite him, or maybe fuck him, like how he fucked his mom, I guess. This biker is losing right now. I'm not seeing too much. He is calm though, so I think if I was in an outside perspective, if I'm not hearing what they're saying, this guy would look like he's winning. Right now, the smelly guy, I think, is taking the lead here with the battle of wits. He's not doing anything game-changing, but the other guy's defense is just not there. It's not there at all. So let's hope that he turns it around.
You gotta insult people with something that sounds intelligent.
Fuck your bike.
There you go. Yeah,
Like I fucked your mom.
yeah. You're not,
you gonna do?
but that's not upsetting me.
Well, that's good.
You're hoping to upset me. Your driving upset me.
Maybe your feelings are really hard now since your mom's a little whore.
No. I don't, see, I keep saying
You do.
that's not
You
realistic.
do. What's up? You know your mom's a little whore.
Is that it?
Well, that's all I got.
That's all you got?
That's all I got.
Then you're stupid.
Well, yeah, I'm stupid.
You drive stupid, you talk stupid, you walk stupid.
And you are stupid with your little horns. What the fuck you think you are, the devil?
I must be.
You with the Cookie Monster shirt? You're
Yeah.
a pretty dumbass if you ask me.
Yeah, I must be.
Like your mom when I was fucking her like this way.
Like right here. That's my mom. That's her.
Like
Was
this
she
way.
moaning? She's.
Oh wait, she was screaming.
Oh, how did it sound?
This guy's very curious. Why would you post this? I mean, I'll give him this. The other guy did admit he's stupid. So, okay, little humility, I guess. I'm kind of, oh, why did I push pause here? Look at how sharp his teeth is. Ah, he's just there, menacingly. He also fucked his bike, too. This guy's just having fun, dude. I think he likes being a prick. He just loves being a douchebag, but he's so funny about it. Like, shit, I can't even be mad at him. He's probably in the wrong, but like, shit, he's funny. And the other guys, he's taking it. He also says, like, oh, I must be the devil. I do think the other biker will win in a fight. This guy, no offense, looking a little shorter in comparison. I know being short isn't an automatic loss, but also a little fat, a little sweaty. I don't know. In a physical fight, I think the biker might have it, but I'm not sure. This guy is still winning. In fact, he's playing along with the mom thing. Ask him questions about his mom's personal life, personal sexual relations with this tumor. Yeah. Let's keep going.
That's her. Was she moaning? She's...
Oh, wait, she was screaming.
Oh, how did it sound when she was screaming?
She's screaming like, ah! Like a crazy bitch.
Like a crazy
Like
bitch.
a crazy bitch.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, it is, if you ask me.
Mm-hmm. Is that it?
Well, your mom was the loudest one, I'll tell you that.
Out of who? Were there others in the room?
Oh, of course, bro.
Who else?
5 other guys fucking her.
Oh, I thought you'd be smart and go with like other members of my
Well,
family.
your mom's a little whore. What do you want
But
me
you
to
already
do?
covered that. That's
Well,
all
your
you.
mom's a little whore.
You
What
already
do want me to
covered
do?
that.
What do you want me to do? Your mom's a little whore.
I need new
Well, your
information.
mom's a whore.
But you can't come up with anything else.
Well, your mom's a whore.
Is that it?
Your mom's a whore.
My mom's a whore.
Your mom's a whore.
Oh.
It's okay, wait. That's why you were born.
The chances are, yeah.
Hey, that's why you were born.
That's why you were born.
Cute little bike.
Isn't it?
Get a real one. Where's your girl, homie? Where's your girl?
Don't touch my stuff.
Girl, there's no ass right here. Where's that ass, homie? Where's that ass?
It's called standards. I don't just go for the fat, moist hole.
You jerked your dick.
Yeah, it's called being a human being.
Faggot. Cause you're a faggot.
Heterosexuals and homosexuals jerk off.
Fucking dick, and you fuck your muffler like a bitch, motherfucker.
My dick's a little smaller than that. Okay, don't touch my bike.
Woo!
Do not touch my stuff.
What's up, motherfucker?
Do not touch my stuff one more time.
Why?
Because I'm gonna defend my property.
Well, like a bitch. It's not like I'm hurting your property, cause you're gonna act like a motherfucking bitch.
I don't see you touching it now, though.
I can't believe it. I think the biker's honestly coming back from this battle of wits right now. This guy's kept like a calm demeanor, so like I feel like he's playing a long game, and like I didn't even realize it at first. Holy shit. Because this guy, he's looking more and more insecure. He's actually getting mad. He's getting so mad because nothing he's saying is getting to him, and like he's touching his bike, and I feel like this is actually gonna end up being physical. The biker could actually win here. Yo, the comeback is insane. The comeback is insane here.
Get the fuck out of my shit.
What's up? What's up?
What the fuck you think you're doing, bitch?
Okay, give me a second. It's okay. What's up?
The fuck?
What's up?
Get the fuck out of my face. I don't want to fight you. Get the fuck away from me.
What's up, motherfucker?
Get out of my face. Back up.
Let's go, motherfucker. Let's go.
I back up.
Let's go,
Back off of me.
Hey, enough.
Thank you.
Okay. Talking shit. Okay, what's up, motherfucker?
We're not gonna have a.
What's up, motherfucker?
Get out of my face, dude. One more time.
Oh, you got butthurt like a bitch, homie. Come on now. You got butthurt like a bitch.
Come on.
You hit
These gentlemen are trying to help you.
first, motherfucker.
Dude, relax.
You hit first.
These guys are trying to help you.
Back up. You hit first like a bitch, homie. What's up? You little bitch with your little bitch ass bike. What's up? What's up? Filming it like a little bitch. What's up? You want to argue? Hey, Stephanie, leave her alone. It's okay. It's okay. Let her record. What's up, you little devil motherfucker?
Just relax, man.
What's up? Hey, you wanna be following me?
You want to go ahead and go then?
Yeah.
Nobody, we're not gonna leave. Nobody leaves.
Sure.
Yeah, dude, you hit me, dude.
You want me to leave or no?
The biker clutched! Oh my god. This guy's a genius. This guy's fucking Bugs Bunny with how smart he is, bro. He's the ultimate rage baiter. I don't know if he's actually in the wrong. I don't think so. He was like way too calm. At first, like, yeah, the insults kind of did make him look weak. Because, I mean, he was going along with the guy, you know, fucking his mom. But because it never got to him, the guy just got more and more desperate to like get to his feelings. And I'm pretty sure he did throw the first punch, but the guy was actually going through like his motorcycle, like touching that shit. So I think, I don't know, legally I feel like there's like a case for the guy. Wow, the biker. And like I said, yeah, I don't know how much I'd blur out because I can't really show an actual fight or else I'll get a strike. Maybe if I say everything's fake, they'd not care. Everything's fake in this video, YouTube. Don't give me a strike. Everything is performative. All joke, all skit. But yeah, dude, he like actually, he beat his ass. Like the smelly guy, he did not really get any offense in. He tried to. He didn't know how to fight, bro. And the guy didn't even throw like that big. I think it was more like a slap, if anything. And like he went down to his feet. We have a whole other minute, basically. We have 50 seconds of this video. So let's see what else happens.
Yeah.
I didn't hit you at all. So right now, yeah, he fucking did that. He's been
nobody's
46
leaving right
in
now.
a well. It's okay. It's okay. Go wait for the cup. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're the one that acted like a little bitch. So what's up?
He's gonna.
Oh, I'm sorry.
If he keeps assaulting my property, I'm going to defend myself more. You need to get off my property.
I don't mean to disrupt the.
I'm trying to help this gentleman right now. You need to get off my stuff.
I got mad, little bitch.
You may be able to understand what I've been dealing with up to this point.
Oh wow, you're such a fucking grown up.
I'm pretty sure he won the case, dude. This guy was still touching up on his bike. Biker won, bro. He clutched. In this interaction, like in the start, I was getting a vibe like, bro, why is he letting this all happen? Bro, why is he not standing up to himself? Because he was playing the long game. He was like rage baiting by not reacting. And he was wearing a Cookie Monster shirt. That's hilarious. Ugly and stupid is a bad combo. This is like level 1 rage baiter against level 100. Like the mental fortitude, bro. Respect to that biker, bro. He won. He easily won this. The other guy, a little bit funny. He was funny when he was just like repeating the same joke, fucking everything, fucking the buck, making fun of the guy. But because it wasn't getting to him, like, oh my god, he got so hurt. Because nothing was gained to him, like, he got hurt from it. And I think the biker saw that the entire time. That because he wasn't reacting, the other guy was just acting up more and more. So, yeah, I think we all learned something from this video. And yeah, thank you all for watching. There's nothing else to be said, so goodbye.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.
Got me in the haze of a drunken